4 books I recommend you read if you're thinking about a vocation to ministry. Book 1, this book by John Pritchard. It's called The Handbook of Christian Ministry, and it even says for lay and ordained Christians. And it gives you an overview of every kind of ministry, and it's a fabulous, really easy read that you can dip in and out of. This one is for the Welsh readers out there in Cymraeg. It's called Yr Alwad, The Calling. Collected stories by Betty Wynne James and Aled Davies. It's 20 stories of ministry, but it's really good if you want something in the Welsh context. I really recommend it. 50 Lessons in Ministry by Paul Beasley Murray. It's brilliant because it gives you 50 lessons over 50 years of ministry that are still relevant today. I know because I've been reading it. It's a really good book. This is Cranky Beautiful Faith by Nadia Bowles-Weber. It is a book that if you come to see me, you will get from me, because it talks about ministry on the edges with people we might not even get on with. And it's a really important thing to do in ministry, that it's no holds barred. It's a bit like Marmite. You'll either love it or you hate it. But I guarantee you should read this book if you're going into ministry. There's a bit of swearing in this, so I will tell you that up front. But if you can cope with that, I think you'll be really inspired by her story.